Passive aggressive cleaning with Ryan. Make sure you're slamming the dishes. Make as much noise as possible. Everything's fine. Have fun with it. Make sure you throw stuff in the sink. Everything's fine. When taking the garbage out, be extra aggressive so your neighbors see you. Everything is fine. No one likes washing the windows, but you do. Make sure you're loud. Everything's fine. Display aggressiveness towards the window. Everything's fine. When vacuuming, really put the vacuum through its paces. Bang it on walls. Knock things over. Be aggressive. Everything's fine. No one likes cleaning the toilet bowl, but you do aggressively. Everything's fine. Clean that shelf off. Everything's fine. Laundry is the hardest part of the day, but not for you. You're very aggressive. You fold it just to throw it down because everything is fine. Cleaning the litter box is easier if you just cover the poop up. H2O is a part of life, so fill that little mini fridge as hard and as fast as possible. Everything's fine. Junk drawers, we all have them. Just put that shit in there. Everything's fine. Having problems getting your kids to clean? Put that shit on the floor. Now stuff it under the bed. See? Everything's fine. Did they put shit on your piano? Get that shit off of there. Everything's fine. Now you can play. After a hard day's cleaning, I like to drink as much water as possible. Everything's fine. I don't know about you, but I hate these things that keep falling from the fucking tree. Thanks for watching.